Alright, welcome back guys. Monday the 19th of July 2021 and we're here over the West End job. The concrete's all set now because it's set over the weekend and we can start lowering these. It's just after lunch, so we're going to have a go at this and then finish it tomorrow, because what we've got to do is get all these blocks out of the way so the builder can have the guys finish doing the footing, and they can pour that footing later on this week, which is what he needs to get his first draw. So we need to make sure he can do that, otherwise we don't get paid. So yeah, they're in just as I showed on the last video. Those are in the front half of the house, has stumps on it. Those ones back there as well, all with concrete. And now we just got to let that down. These stay, those go. So we need to slide those steels that are up there back this way so they can stay up there, because it's too hard to get them out right now. And just drop that one out and drag it out, or at least get it to the ground so the excavator can drag it out. And that's our goal. We'll see how we go today and tomorrow morning to do that. Then we start playing silly buggers with the other holes and clean them up and get them ready for stumping. But right now we're going to have a go at lowering that and see what we have to do do that without breaking the house. Okay, catch you guys again soon. See ya. Bye.